Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to going for botanical information of African tulip tree. Before the watching video, subscribe the channel, share and comment on this video. Let's begin. Spathodia is a monotypic genus in the following plant family Bignoniaceae. The single species it contains, Spathodia campanulata, is a commonly known as African tulip tree. The tree grows between up to 7 to 25 meter tall and is native to tropical dry forests of Africa. This tree is an ornamental tree. Classification of African tulip tree: Kingdom Plantae, Order Lamelliae, Family Bignoniaceae. Bignoniaceae is a family of a flowering plant in the order of a Lamelliaceae, commonly known as the Bignonias. Genus Spathodia, species Campanulata. Description of this plant: the flower bud is a ampoule shaped and its contain water. The open flowers are a cup shaped due to making them attractive to many species of birds. Flower anatomy of this plant: the African tulip tree flower produce large reddish orange flowers that have approximately 5 petals and 8 to 15 cm long. The flowers are bisexual and zygomorphic. These are displayed in a terminal raceme inflorescence. Pedicle approximately 6 cm long. This flower also has a yellow margin. The pistil can be found at center of a stamen course that is inserted the corolla tube. This flower has a slender ovary that is superior ovary. The seeds of this tree are a flat and thin. Leaves information of this plant: mature leaves are deep green and glossy. African tulip tree have pinnate leaves. Leaflets on each side of the midrib are 4 to 6 inches long. Care of this plant: African tulip tree will grow rapidly in full sun on any soil of reasonable and drainage fertility, and should be regularly watered. Will require little care. Root of this plant: African tulip tree has a shallow root system and weak branches. African tulip tree has a soft wood suitable for nesting of many hole building birds. Light brown wood or African tulip tree are used for the manufacture of paper, drums and for carving. Other information of this plant: African tulip tree are extremely harmful to native stingless bees and a public safety hazard. Edible uses for this plant: the wing seeds are said to be edible. Medicinal use for this plant: first one, the unopened flower buds contain a sweet watery liquid that is considered to be tonic. Second one, the bark has laxative and antiseptic properties. Third one, the bark may also be boiled in water used for bathing newly born babies to heal body rashes. Fourth one, the seeds, roots and flowers are used as a medicine. Fifth one, extract of the bark, leaves and flowers are used to treat malaria, ulcers and skin diseases and fever. Agroforestry uses of this plant. The tree is planted for soil improvement, reforestation and erosion control. Thank you. Visit us again.